Hello guys, in the last lecture we learned about activities and life cycles. Now in this lecture we'll learn about intent and how we can pass data with intent. First of all, what is intent? Suppose we have two screens in our application and we want to go to the second screen from first screen. How will we do that? The answer is intent. So let's see the example uh, with the button click, right? So we have these two activities. One is main activity. Let me just close everything else, right? We have this main activity and we have this sample activity, right? So I want to go from main activity to sample activity. So first of all, let me just create some layout so that we can differentiate between two activities, right? So in sample activity, what I will do first of all, I'll take a linear layout and there will be a horizontal one, a vertical one, and we'll have background of, let's just put a background of light blue color, right? And in the main activity, I'll take a button. Uh, for what, we'll see that later. With which wrap content, and the text will be click me, whatever we like, right? And we'll give ID as click, right? Let me just layout gravity will be center. Oh, sorry. Layout gravity will be center, and margin top will be 250 dp, right? So what we will do that if we click on this button, we'll redirect to this sample activity, right? So let's see. Open the Java file. First of all, if we want to use this button, we have to program it, and to program it we have to take this button to the Java file. How would we do that? We have to map this button with the help of ID in Java file. So let's first take a variable of button B, whatever the name you like, and now we will map this button to the Java file, to the XML file, right? So B equals to find view by ID r dot id dot, what was the ID? Click, right? Now we have button that we can use in Java file. Now we have to click on it. So we have to call a method on B, that is our button. So B dot set on click listener is the method. Now write new and then give space. As you write on, you will see this first method view dot on click listener, and you click it, the whole body will be created. Now inside this click, I'm gonna call the method intent, right? Intent, I'll take a variable of intent and we'll make an object of intent, new intent. Now as an argument of this method, we have to pass from where to where we want to go, right? So right now we are in the main activity.java, so we'll pass main activity.this, and we want to go to sample activity.java, so we'll call sample activity.class. right now we just have to call a sub method that is called start activity and pass this intent object to that start activity. That's it. Now if we click on that button, we'll be redirected to this simple activity. And make sure that you have simple activity declare in manifest, otherwise it will give you an error. So we do have, and I'll run this on our emulator, right? So let's run this application and see if it is working. It's going to take some time, so I'll meet you at the end of the process. As you can see, our application is working perfectly. Not working, we haven't tested it yet, so let's just click this button and see if we can move to the next activity or not. Click it, and yes, we are going to the another activity, so it is working perfectly for now. So suppose we want to send some data from this activity to this sample activity. So how would we do that? We use intent for it, for sure, and there are basically two ways to do it. One is to use bundle and pass that bundle with intent. Now what is bundle? First of all, bundle contains data in the form of key value pair, and we pass that bundle containing those data alongside intent, right? Another method is just use pushstring method of intent. Let's see example of both methods. So first of all, let me create two edit text from where we will take some data. Not two, I'll just create one, and width will be match parent, I think. Text, not text, int will be name, id will be name, and margin will be 30 dp, right? And I don't want this further. Let's just, okay, I don't want any margin top. We have already given 30 dp of margin on edit text, right? So we have to map this edit text in order to use that in Java. So let's take a variable of edit text ed, and we'll map ed with find view by id r dot id dot, what was the id? Name, right? So inside this onClick method, what we want that whatever we type in this edit text, we want this to pass alongside intent, right? So we need that data first of all. So we call a string, string s, whatever the name you like, and we take the data of edit text with the help of method getText dot toString. Right, getText method gets the data whatever you type in edit text, and toString will convert those data to the string. Right, now we have the data in this as variable. Now we have to make an object of bundle equals to new bundle. Now bundle dot put string, as we have a data type of string, and here we'll first pass the key of the string, that is name or whatever you like, and then we'll pass the value. We have already a variable, right? Now inside intent we have to pass this bundle, intent dot put extra, and we pass bundle in that, right? And we start activity intent put extras, not just extra, right? So now we have a string which contains whatever we type inside the edit text, and we have a bundle which contains that string, and we have passed this bundle into intent. Now we just have to catch this data on other side. So let's first take a text view to show that yes, we have something. Now we want to show that, right? Match parent, and Okay, not match parent, it will be wrap content for both. Text size, text will be sample just to design it for well, and gravity will be center, margin top will be 250 dp, and text size will be 50 dp. Right, now we have to map this to this sample.activity.java, sample activity.java. So let's take text view TV, and have we passed an ID? No. So let's pass an ID of TV text view, right? And we'll take TV equals to find view by ID r.id.tv. Now I want to catch this bundle inside this activity. So we take an object of bundle equals to, instead of new bundle we write get intent dot get bundle extras, right? Not bundle extras, yeah, not bundle extra, we just get extras, right? Now we have to catch that data in the form of string, so we need a string as well, string 1 maybe, whatever you like. And now we fetch the string from this bundle object dot get string. Now we need the same key which we used here in order to get the same data we want, right? That's it, we have our data in this string. Now we want to show this data inside this text view, so we call tv.setText method, and we just pass this h1 string here. So let's see if it is working or not. Let's run our application and see. It will take a little bit of time. I'll see you at the end of this process. Alright, our app has run, and let's check. I'll pass my name Dhruv and we'll click here, and we can see the data has been passed, and we have set that data in text view. Now another method you can do the same thing is, without using bundle we can just put that string inside intent dot, where is it, intent dot put string. Put extra name, and the string will be s, right? And here we'll just pass this, we'll just get intent dot extras, we'll pass this as to the string dot get string extra, and we'll pass the name of that. So now let's run it and see if it is working or not. Let's write Dhruv and click. We got the data, right? So this is how you pass data from one activity to another activity with the use of intent. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.